So it's been mixing. I put in some eggs in there. I put in egg, my honey. I didn't use sugar, so you can use sugar. Then I use honey. Then I put in vanilla extract. Then I put in vanilla extract to mix it. Then I put in cinnamon powder. Then I put in whisk it. Then I put in all the flour I need: almond flour, buckwheat flour, soya beans flour, coconut flour. That is all I use with oat roll. I put some oat roll in it, so I didn't use the other flour. So guys, keep subscribing, and thank you for my new friends. I got new friends now. I got a lot of new friends now, which is good, you know, and they're fantastic cook as well. So I'm gonna tip in this one in the bowl in there. So I'm gonna tip it in the bowl here and bake. So keep subscribing. When it is cooked, I'm gonna show it to you guys how it's done. Okay guys, keep subscribing to my channel.